Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how many followers on TikTok to go live. So if you go for your TikTok app and go for your plus icon here, so you can see the upload option, camera option and templates option here. But you don't have the live option here, just like me. So this is just because you don't have the 1000 followers. If you want to go live, then you need 1000 followers on your TikTok. So when you are when you get 1000 followers on your TikTok, after that you can go live on TikTok. So guys, you have to get 1000 followers to go live on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.